Sloanebuilt stands for quality, dependability, durability, longevity, very, very good value for money, security that you're buying a quality product, a renowned product, and it also stands for a product that's backed 100% by people that really care and really value the customer that's buying it. And we build the product like we own it. That's how we want it to be, like it's built for yourself and we own it. So it's all quality based.
Our customers choose Sloanebuilt because we don't just make products, we make custom solutions.
The growth of Sloanebuilt, yeah, it is based on your customers in developing which ways they're carting the product. We need to focus on what's happening in the future, plan ahead. If one area goes quiet, we need to focus on the other area to start developing and pushing that direction. So if you're not close and tight with your customers, you won't understand where the industry is going. If this state goes quiet, we've got to look to interstate jobs. If it's busy in a certain quarry area, well then we've got to focus on quarry. If it's long haul grain cartage into ports, we've got to focus on the farmers and the grain cartage into ports. You do have to stay in touch. The growth of our business, yeah, 100% is based on customers. We need to stay focused with them just as much as we need to focus on what we do for a job.
What stands out about our relationship with Sloanebuilt is the innovation around our industry. They've invested in themselves. So you see the facility behind me, that wasn't here. It was a much smaller factory previously. They're able to mass produce a lot more now so we can get things on the road a lot quicker. They're local, they're a family-based business and so are we.
Our customer retention rate is quite high. Our culture, processes and people and our suppliers set us apart from our competitors in the industry.
Suppliers, they're in synergy with Sloanebuilt. They're a partner in the chain that makes the product successful. We offer suppliers security of ongoing work, reliability. The suppliers are part of our chain to make the success. So without good suppliers, reliable suppliers, we can't have the manufacturing process and we can't have the quality inputs. So we choose our suppliers very, very closely for being like-minded in business, whether regarding warranty, supply chain issues, whatever. So we're very, very focused on quality suppliers who have very similar visions in their business plan or in their culture within their business that we run parallel. So we're very like-minded. If you haven't got that vision and we're not all on the same page, you won't have the best results for the customer and for the product.
It's our quality and customer experience that made us the industry leaders that we are today.
Quality doesn't make any sense if you don't have consistency. So sustainable quality is what we are looking at. And when you have a business that's consistently growing, sustainability comes with processes. And that's what we endeavor to make. So we have got a lot of process that we follow in our organization to ensure that consistency for quality, consistency for the ability to produce, consistency on productivity, we focus on all of this, and most importantly, consistency on safety as well.
At the moment, there's a big push for productivity gains within the transport industry. So there's a lot of new type high productive vehicles or performance-based standard vehicles being introduced into the transport industry that give a greater productivity gain to reduce the cost of transportation of all commodities in the road transport. So we're developing with our engineering team higher productive vehicles to meet the regulatory requirements of the government to go on safe roads.
The ability for the Sloanebuilt product speaks for itself. It's resilient, it's long lasting, and it's the best that you can come across.
We engage regularly with government regulatory bodies. We're in touch with the new regulations that are ever evolving at this point in time. We're staying in touch with innovative transport operators that are looking for the next connection or the higher productivity value inputs they can get into road transportation, whether it's fertiliser, grain, quarry, asphalt. So we stay in touch with people. We engage articulated engineers that can grasp the concepts and take and develop them into new products.
The long-term customers have been with us because it's very reliable, we're consistent, we're always here. We commit to our job, not just myself, our whole family and the whole team. We love to work, and it's a true good passion of ours. We enjoy our job. And that's why I think they feel safe coming here and understanding us, and we give them good feedback. We've got, between us family members, there's over 20 years of experience just in the second generation coming through.
If you're really looking for a company who can understand what you need, a company that can actually pull in the quality that you're expecting for, the solution that you would want, and to work with someone who can actually work with you throughout the life cycle of your trucks and trailers, I think Sloanebuilt is the company that you're looking for, and that's what I want to leave you with. If you're looking for a partner, that's what we are for.
Transport's always growing, so for our employees, yeah, you're in a secure job. We're not backing off. We're going to go forward. For our customers, we're going to be here. We're going to put 100% into it. We're only a phone call away or an email away, so they've got our backing. And the future for Sloanebuilt is the growth. We're not going to stop growing and grow this business into something very good for the country.
This is Industry Leaders. Still ahead, mind-blowing drone autonomy with Emercent co-founders, whose business is autonomously mapping the inaccessible, only to discover the best ideas emerge when very different perspectives meet, including pioneering drones in underground mining.